guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about AIDS. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So the causative agent of AIDS is the virus HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. From the name itself, you can understand that this virus reduces your immunity. Now, there are a few means of spread of AIDS. First is, that is the most common way HIV is transmitted is through unprotected sexual contact with an infected person. Receiving blood transfusions or organ transplants from an HIV infected donor can lead to transmission too. HIV can be spread through sharing needles, which needles are basically contaminated with the virus. An HIV infected mother can pass the virus to her child during pregnancy or childbirth or breastfeeding. What are the symptoms of AIDS? Frequent and severe infections, persistent fever, night sweats, chronic diarrhea, weight loss, swollen lymph nodes, skin problems, shortness of breath, fatigue, etc. How we will diagnose AIDS? Antibody test. So we can look for the HIV antibodies in blood, urine or saliva of the person. Next is antigen or antibody test. So here basically we can look for both HIV antibodies and HIV antigens in the blood. So the blood is collected from the suspected person and it is checked whether the blood has HIV antigen or antibody. Nucleic acid test or NAT. It looks for the virus in the blood, whether the blood from the suspected person contains this virus. Viral load test. It basically measures the amount of HIV in the blood. So how many viruses are there in the blood of the suspected person. Next is CD4 Th cell count. So it measures the number of CD4 Th cell in the blood. So basically the HIV reduces or kills T helper cells. So once a person is infected by this virus, his or her Th cell count will be less. Okay. Next is treatment of AIDS. So the treatment for AIDS is ART, that is antiretroviral therapy, which is a combination of HIV medicines. ART can't cure HIV, but it can help people with HIV live long, healthy lives. ART basically stops the virus from replicating more in the body and it lowers the amount of virus in the body. So basically it reduces the viral load and it helps the immune system get stronger. Since the HIV infected person has very reduced number of T helper cells, he or she is immunodeficient. In that case, the ART helps to improve his or her immunity. Preventive measure of AIDS. So consistently using condoms during sexual intercourse can reduce the risk of HIV transmission. Reducing the number of sexual partners can reduce the risk of exposure. Basically, reducing the number of unknown sexual partners will of course reduce the risk of exposure. And regular testing for HIV can help identify the infection early and reduce the spread through timely treatment. Ensuring that all blood and organ donations are screened for HIV. So the organs and blood which are kept for donation, they should be screened properly whether they are free from the viruses or not. Educating communities about HIV transmission, prevention methods, and the importance of regular testing is also very much required. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.